Hey there, it's Jim. It's Saturday, June the 24th, mid-afternoon. I was working on the Subaru for a while this morning and got back on older 372 here that been brought to me seized with unknown issues. So anyways, it's idling in the background. Made me work for it, but anyway, I think the guy's going to be happy with it. Keep breaking it in here for a bit and just make sure I'm happy with it. The case is actually an old 371. It's got the front adjust chain tensioner hole in it, and then somebody put the other clutch plate on, or clutch cover on it. But anyways, yeah, we'll give you a look at it here. I got a little clip of kind of first run with it here, so splice that in. You can take a peek. Okay, we'll catch you in a bit. I'll end up cutting some firewood out in the yard here with it.